Alright, Mofich. Got some oil in a hot pan. Ain't gonna cook them fucking things again. But I gotta tell you, we got these fucking, what do you call them, motherfuckers? Dumplings. Turn that down. A little too hot. It's a little too hot. We're going to cook these for a couple of minutes. Then we're going to steam the fuck out of them for about another 2 minutes. And then we're going to be good to fuck and go. And then I'm going to heat up my rice. Come here, bitches. Okay, oh, look. Leftovers. Okay. Gonna add a bit of water in about 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna cover this fucker up. As per the manufacturer's instructions. Not my instructions. Because like if I had the bamboo steamer going, we'd be bambooing it. Then we get bamboozled. But no, I'm gonna get beer boozled. Woo! They turning brown yet? Yeah, a little bit. No, a little bit. Good. Okay. Give me another like fucking 20 seconds. Then we'll add some water. Oh, don't use your fingers. You might burn yourself. Oh, and if you order this from Shitty Walk, thank you for calling Shitty Walk. Take your order, please. Try a shitty beef. Shitty Walk rule. Okay, motherfucker. Okay, that's turned down good enough. Now I'm gonna put beer in there. We'll put some water in there. Not yet. No. Don't touch it. You're going to burn yourself. Yeah, fucking blow me. Fucking cockles. Safety first when it comes to cooking food. Yeah. Alright. You're a little zapparoo. Where's the fucking lid? Where's the fucking lid? No, that ain't the fucking lid. Hey, I'm missing the lid. There's the lid. Good enough. Zapparoo. Bang! Okay, we're done. Okay, I gotta move some shit around. We gotta heat some stuff up. And we're good to go. Alright, bitches, gotta move the camera. Woo! RTFO, mofos. Drink up, buttercup. Shut the fuck up. It's a long video, I know. Woo.